Okay everyone, today we're going to be learning a couple of new things on the smartboard. First of all, we are going to be going through how to fade in and fade out objects. So on this slide we have, are smartboards a great way to promote student engagement? So a lot of the times when I fade in and out objects, I like to do it over an answer. So we go up to shapes, bring it out. I like to use a square in this spot because yes is a small word. Make our square. Now we come up here to colors, click a color to fill it in so it's not transparent. Fill in your square. Now we can move the square around and it's red. But when we put it over yes, it covers it. Great. Now we want to make sure that when we click it, when the smartboard is running in our presentation, it fades out to show the word yes. So we can cover yes, come over here, make sure we have the square highlighted, or else these won't come up. Once the square is highlighted, it's object animation, type, fade out. Fade in is it won't be there and you click it and it comes in, and there's a bunch of other different things that you can do. So I like fade out for this, and it shows you what it will do. So then we can come over here, and when we are in our slideshow and we are presenting to our class or to our group, we can just come over here and click it, and it shows our answer. That's object animations. Our, our second slide is just a demonstration of why it would be good. You could have some sort of a Jeopardy game to review different concepts for your class. So I just kind of made a grid. These would be your Jeopardy shapes, and these would be your answers. I hope you learned something during this tutorial. So you could cover up those answers and just go around clicking. So another one of these things, you could have a row of Jeopardy questions up here, and your students could throw a ball at the smartboard. So they would throw a ball, it would hit somewhere around this square, the square would leave and show the question, or show the answer of a question that you just asked. So I think it's a great tool, and the students really like it because when they touch it, something just disappears and shows something. That's a good concept for students to like. So the second strategy or trick that I'm going to show you with the smartboard is duplicating something. So this is a good exercise when you're teaching coins to students and money. So on the left we have our amounts of money, and on the right we have our examples of our money. So I want to be able to go over here, grab one, and take it over, but the picture moves. So to duplicate them, we can highlight them all, right click on our mouse, and come down to Infinite Cloner. If we click Infinite Cloner, we can pull as many as we want out of the penny, as many as we want out of the nickel, as many as we want out of the dime. And then you can perform your task. So how many coins can we make 79 cents with? Well, 3/4 and 4 pennies. The students really like this exercise because they can drag and drop different objects, and you can make a lot of different things with this exercise. So, once again, I hope you guys learned something during this tutorial about object animations and infinite cloners. Thanks a lot.